Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There is an important notice on MCC. Okay, I am going to talk about that and we'll talk about the iOS application. We had launched Android application long back, but the iOS application took so much time because it requires many permissions and all. And we'll discuss like when you can get the seat matrix, and according to that you need to decide how you can arrange the college preference branch wise and location wise and all such things. We are also giving a discount offer on availing paid counseling guidance on the occasion of our holy festival Raksha Bandhan. Okay, so you can decide to avail it, and you can also book the paid counseling guidance by paying some token amount. That's also possible. You can avail it from the application also. I hope the application is installed Android, and those who are using iPhone, they can install iOS application. Regular updates and in the free materials, seat matrix, fee structure, allotment, everything will be updated there, so you can refer it, and it will be useful asset for your counseling process. So please keep this application installed. It will be helpful. There is no harm. Okay, you can join our Telegram group. Okay, 15,000 members are there, so that will also very helpful platform for you. You can ask your personal queries. Someone will answer you the genuine way, because all candidates are for NEET PG 2022. And since we have got around 2 weeks of time for counseling to start, so it's the right time. If you're still not sure how you should proceed, or you want to go for next year, then you can get in touch with us to get your initial college level analysis, where we can tell you like for particular state or particular counseling, what colleges you can get, and in which branches, what will be the tuition fee, stipend, bond, and all such things, so you have the overall idea. Okay, and the process and steps to install app from a store. First, you need to download the my institute application from App Store. If you don't want to type there, you can directly click on the link. The link is shared in the description of the video. Then after installation, you have to enter org code that is given over here, and then you need to log in with your mobile number and password, and you will see NEET Mentor counseling application installed on your iPhone. Okay, that's the process. So let's talk about the notification, and we will also talk about seat matrix and NMC in the further part of the video. So this notification is regarding PWD. Okay, we had received a couple of notifications earlier regarding it, and it clarifies that MCC received so many mails from PWD candidates regarding some ambiguity regarding online generation of PWD certificate. Okay, so they have clarified now that MCC won't take the responsibility to generate the certificates online. Okay, the PWD candidates are not required to register for certificate via online mode. No such registration link will be provided by MCC for the candidates. Okay, so there is no link will be provided by MCC. PWD candidates have to report at the physically at the designated PWD NEET disability certification center, which was given in the previous notification. You can check it out if you don't have it. Okay, and based on your location nearby disability certification center, the designated disability certification center will have the authority and the responsibility to issue you the certificate, and they will get it through online mode. Okay, so the candidate do not need to do any activity online. They need to reach to the Disability Certification Center in order to get it, and it's applicable for 2022. Even candidates who are not qualified, they can also get the certification. Once after cutoff revision they qualify, it will be helpful for them. Okay, so that's all about the notification. Now let's talk about uh, seat matrix. So seat matrix will be published after complete inspection is done. As of now, whatever are the matrix is published on NMC is for last year, and many seats approval is coming every day. Okay, and accumulated list will be provided around 27th of this month, because that's last date of inspection. Okay, so it is also possible that seat might get increment in two phases. One list of seats will be released, the new added seats before round 1, and some other seats before round 2. After round 2, as per the rule, there should not be addition of seats. Those seats got approved after round 2, those will be added for the next session. Regarding NMC bill, is still not sure whether it will implement. So we are waiting for the court case in Chennai High Court, which is dated on 16th of August. Okay, since the time is less, so right now if you do analysis, you don't have to very optimistic about getting it implemented, because it's very big thing in the history of seat distribution and the fee structure allocation. So right now you need to do the analysis based on the last year rules, and the last year rules, this year rule has no many changes as of now. The one change that from the mop-up round, you won't be allowed to participate in any state or all India counseling if you have got the seat and join the seat up to round 2, because no even single candidate will be allowed, because the application will have the restriction for those candidates. Okay, so these are sort of updates from my side as of now. We will keep you updated with all the upcoming notification and announcements. Okay, so thanks for watching, have a great day.